Good morning. It's 10:51. I am awake. I am in the process of getting dressed. Just coming downstairs to go to the bathroom and do my hair. Alright, so bathroom is done. Hair is done. I mean, it's wet, but it's done. Combed it out, brushed it out, whatever. Gonna put on some serum today, simply because I'm curious to know if it is still warm enough for that. Where is it? I have to find it in my bucket of stuff. It's right here. My olive oil glossing hair serum. Usually, if it's too cold, it will feel sticky and whatnot. I'm hoping that's not what's going to happen today. I mean, indoors, it's obviously warm enough. Indoors. You ever watch SpongeBob and he's like afraid of the outside? He sings a song about being indoors. I don't remember how the song goes, but he's sitting there with like his chip, his Kleenex tissue, and a penny, talking to his friends because for some reason, I forget what happened, but he got afraid of the outdoors. And then eventually he becomes unafraid because he has to save, I think, Sandy or somebody. Sandy Squirrel is not my favorite character on SpongeBob. Patrick Star is, because he's so dumb. I'm not really sure what it is about the dumb people or the people who play dumb on TV shows, but I think they're the funniest. Probably because I know in real life they're not actually dumb. Well, SpongeBob is not real life, but in real life, like if you're watching Friends and you think Phoebe is dumb, she's not actually really dumb in real life. She's actually quite smart. Or, you know, Marilyn Monroe had an IQ higher than Einstein, so she wasn't dumb either, but she played dumb. I wonder if she played dumb to be accepted into like social life. Look at these ends, they're all scraggly, you know? You see my ends are scraggly. Scraggly. You know, they don't look like the rest of my hair. Smooth, curls, and then scraggles. So I'm thinking what I want to do, not today, but at some point, I'm gonna get my ends. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna get some bleach. We're gonna take about 4 inches of hair. We're gonna bleach the heck out of the ends, like not yellow, not kind of beigey golden, like almost white, almost freaking white. Bleached, okay? Now we're gonna color them some color. I'm not really sure what color yet. Alright, so I put that in my hair, and now I have to get a shirt on, because you can't go outside without a shirt on. Oh, I forgot I got that curl-la-la stuff. Anyway, let's see, this weekend I'll bring the curl-la-la. Alright, and then I have to go to the store. So, shall I narrate everything I'm doing? I'm going to push stop, and I'm going to put a shirt on, and I will go to the store. I am now in my vehicle, on my way to the store. I went to the store, I was at the store, I got my stuff, and now I'm in the car. I'm going to go home. Good afternoon. It's 12:30, 12:31 to be exact. We are making puppy chow. What is puppy chow? It's a mixture, it's Chex Mix or, you know, corn squares. And it is covered in chocolate and peanut butter mixture and then powdered sugar. It is for people, not for dogs, because, you know, chocolate and the non-dog friendly peanut butter or whatever peanut butter. I have myself a snack, which is eggnog. Tis the season for eggnog. I have a thing of eggnog and I drink it. I love eggnog. It's sweet. People who don't like creamy things don't like eggnog. Or they just don't like the taste of eggnog. I don't know. So here's what you gotta do first. You need to melt the chocolate. It's helpful to have your things near you. So we have here some creamy peanut butter. It is a 18-ounce jar. We use the whole thing. We have here a bag, pretty hefty bag. What is this? 1 pound bag of semi-sweet morsels, Toll House, just chocolate chip pieces. We want to cut. We want to melt the chocolate chips. So just gonna open this up. I have a double boiler action type thing going on. Right now it's just the pot. It's the pot. It's got a little bit of water in it. I'm going to put them in here because this makes a double boiler. Why is that not on there? Okay. Yeah, this makes a double boiler. So I don't have, you know, they sell double boilers, but when you can just put a bowl on top of, oh jeez. Hi there. Gotta stop doing that. Put a bowl on top of a pan, pot, whatever. Why would you need to buy a double boiler? All right, cool. So put that there. I need the wooden spoon. We'll use a plastic spoon. I think it might stick less. Could be wrong, but who knows. All right, so we're gonna heat that up, melt our chocolate, and then we'll add our peanut butter and incorporate it all together. Some people will melt the peanut butter separate from the chocolate and then they do like a double mixy thing in the bowl. Oh, that's what I need out. Be prepared, folks. All right, so I have this bowl. Russ uses it often for popcorn. Just this bowl. It's not dirty. It's kind of lightly stained from all the popcorn usage. It has a lid. So what I'm going to do, put the Chex Mix in here. We're going to do it a little bit at a time. We're not going to do it all at once because we want to evenly coat it, right? Right. So we put a little bit of Chex Mix, a little bit of the peanut butter chocolate mixture, Chex Mix, chocolate. You know, we layer it so it's evenly coated. So let's just get our chocolate going. Since this is 2 pounds, how many pounds? This is 1 pound, and this is, we want equal parts. This is also 1 pound, so they're both a pound. We'll just dump the whole thing in. A few stragglers. Dump the whole thing in. Get your chocolate melted first, then you're gonna add a creamerize. Melt your peanut butter in there. Okay, like I said, melt. So while you're over your double boiler, you're probably thinking, can we just do this in the pot itself? Yeah, absolutely can, but it's gonna burn your chocolate. You burn your chocolate, you fucked up. That's what Uncle Roger says. Do you ever watch Uncle Roger? He's quite funny. Funny guy. Funny guy in the UK. And my chocolate's almost all melted. Probably took like, I don't know, 3 minutes or something. I didn't continuously stir. I started to continuously stir once I saw the chocolate starting to really get solidified. I'm getting some on my thumb here. Not solidified, liquefied. Alright, so that's looking nice and creamy. Still a few lumps. Just keep that, you know, keep that going. There we go. No more lumps. Nice and creamy. So now we're going to add the peanut butter. I like to switch out my spoons occasionally. Well, I'm going to use a different spoon for mixing because we don't want it all to stick together, you know. So I have the one spoon for this stuff. Go. Get that. Let's get all this peanut butter in there. Okay. Chocolate peanut butter mixture is mixed. I have, like I said, about that much Chex Mix corn squares in there, and we're just gonna, what am I doing here? I'm trying to pick this up. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit in here. Get that evenly. Don't turn off your stove just yet, so we still want this melty. So we're just gonna put the bowl right back on top of the burner. Turn your heat down, probably about medium. Where's this spoon I wanted to use? What the heck? Oh. Come on. Alright, so then just kind of doing a rotational flip. So you're like rotate, flip, rotate, flip. Can you see it? Maybe not, I don't know, but you get it. Rotate and flip, okay? Once that's pretty well incorporated, we're going to add more squares, then we add more chocolate. You kind of like do that until all your chocolate, peanut butter mix, and your squares are coated. Okay? So then you add your powdered sugar, and you keep adding it, and you do the fold and rotate motion. You just want, the idea is to get it all coated evenly. You have like whole mixes. It's kind of hard to get it all evenly coated. That would be ideal, to have it all evenly coated. It doesn't always work. So we're just gonna fold and rotate and fold and rotate until it's all white. Okay, it's not all white, but I'm realizing that the chocolate and the peanut butter are just like mixing with the sugar, and so, oh, that's not bad. It won't become all white, so I gotta let it cool. We're gonna dust some more powdered sugar on it once it's cooled, and then it should be better looking. Don't mind the floor. I have a little visitor in my closet. She's decided she likes to be in my closet. Just right there. That's normally where my clothes bin would go. Miss Purdy, what are you doing in my closet? Hey, kitty. Okay then. Come here. All right. I am packing. JJ is laying on the pillow. But right now I need to go to potty. Ah. Alright, so back in the kitchen, as you can see, here's my stuff, very solidified. So we're gonna try and break this up so then, you know, without like ruining everything. Right. Yeah, so this is definitely cooled down. We're gonna break this up and then we're gonna add some more powdered sugar on top so that it's all mixed up and all that kind of stuff. This is gonna get broke up anyway. You know what? I don't even care anymore. I just need it to not be big old chunks like that. Stab it. I don't care. Ideally, you would want whole pieces, but I ruined it I ruined it by not allowing it to cool down before adding the powdered sugar the first time. Ooh, that's a big chunk. So, it's been a while since I have made puppy chow, and yeah, so that's why I kind of forgot that part. Still tastes the same. It's a really big bowl. This is a big bowl. Alright, I think that's good. A little bit of sprinkles, not sprinkles. A little sprinkle some more powdered sugar on there. Dustify it. It's not a word. Dustify is not a word. Alright, so that's that. Yes, there we go. Oh, a big piece right here. Alright, so there's that. Yeah. Alright, I've got my bag is packed. It's ready to go. Alright, no, I'm not going on a jet plane. I wish I was leaving on a jet plane. Hey, there we go. Okay, so now when you're done with the puppy chow, it look like puppy chow. And that has a nice lid. So I have the lid, and now I can put this in the car. So it's 40s, early 40s, low 40s. Alexa, what's the temperature right now?
Right now, it's 42 degrees.
42.
Tonight, expect a low of 20.
A low of 20 degrees. Alright, cool. So that is that. I bought more powdered sugar because I didn't know how much I had left, but I did not need to open it. So I have lots of powdered sugar. Maybe I'll make some icing sometime. I'll have to get some butter, make some buttercream frosting. Not icing, frosting. There is a difference between icing and frosting. Okay then. Oh! And that's it. I'll see you later. Okay, now, what am I doing right now? I'm getting in the car. Out, hit my head. Got the dog on the floor. JJ, get your face out of there. Come up here. Trying to eat garbage. And here we're going to drop JJ off. Okay. Now, what am I narrating? Well, I'm not narrating anything. I'm just telling you the dog has been dropped off. The bags are packed. The car is ready to go. Now we're just waiting on Russ to get done with work. Good evening. I'm eating a clump of puppy chow. Here's my friend Matt. Hi.
Hi.
We're hanging out because that's what friends do.
Word. Yes, that's what they do.
Uh-huh. And he is a smartass.
Better than being a dumbass. Or have no ass at all.
Wait, you don't have an ass.
Everyone has an ass.
You have a crack. Anyway, have yourself a good night. Tomorrow is Saturday. We'll see you for a short time. Toodles.